Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this reverse cat eye makeup look. It's very simple, very easy to do, and it's trending also. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to apply my Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, and I'm going to apply that on my complete face.
Like the rest, no. Then take a shot, no vest. That ass put me to sleep, no rest. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy. Now a moment's past. Underneath these masks, we fall cold. We never took a night off, saw me cold.
So after applying the primer, I'm going to take the Insights Makeup Essentials Pro Conceal Palette, and I'm going to start color correcting my face very lightly, only on the areas where I need color correction.
Got no more time for me. Looking for that right sign coming, but I gotta keep looking. Nothing back there, no clue.
Next up, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This one is in the shade 310.
Hoping the ghosts come through. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy. Now a moment's past. Underneath these masks we fall cold. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light off. Told me so I'm out control. I'm high as hell, but I'm low. Got us sold. We never took a night off, saw me cold.
So now for the reverse cat eye, we are going to take the Bellora Paris Identity 24x7 black liner. So we're going to take this one, and this one is waterproof and it is a little smudge proof, but we will try to smudge it off. So since we're doing a reverse cat eye, which means that we have to apply a cat eyeliner on the lower lash line and then smudge it out. So we're gonna do that. It's very simple, very easy. And then later on, after I'm done applying the kajal and then smudging it out, I'm going to take my Sephora eyeshadow. This one is the brown eyeshadow, and I am going to again apply the eyeshadow right below the eyeliner. So let's do it. So I've already set my face with the powder, and directly I'm gonna start with the eye makeup now. Okay, so we'll go little by little. So starting from the outer corner, moving inwards, make sure that you apply that in your waterline as well.
Keeping like we were happy. Now a moment's past. Underneath these masks we fall cold. We never took a night off, saw me cold.
And once you're done applying like this, take an angular brush, okay, and then start taking it out like this. You just have to smudge it. This way. It's very simple, very easy to do.
But I gotta keep looking. Nothing back then, no clue, we'll see. Could've had more time, nice. Guess that I'm not your type. Why did you leave so soon? Not scared, hoping the ghosts come through. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling.
Now I'm taking the Sephora eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line with the same angular brush.
We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even even turn the light up. Told me
just right below the black kajal. So now I'm applying the same eyeshadow on my eyelids.
got us all. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light up. Told me no.
So now I'll do the same on the other eye as well, and I'll show you the final result.
Girl, I'm sold. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light up. Told me no, so out control. Now I'm high as hell, but I'm low. I'm so forward when I met you. Act so foreign, yeah, you're not cute. Yeah, I thought I'm never gonna ever wreck you, and I promise never gonna ever test you. Now you're gonna get my best. You are not like the rest, no. Then take a shot, no verse. That ass put me to sleep, no rest. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy, now a moment's past. Underneath these masks we fall sold. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light up. Told me no, so I'm out control. Now I'm high as hell, but I'm low. We never took a night off.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and also I hope that this video was helpful. So if you try out this look, let me know what you think about this. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
We could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy,